description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodle. And today I've got something. Found this, and the next one as well, at this place. It used to be called HT Oak Tree Market on Aurora down towards Seattle, just past Shoreline. Used to be called HT Oak Tree Market. Now it's called SARS Super Saver Grocery, I think. Anyways, if you're looking for ramen, that place has like a ridiculous amount of it, and a lot of stuff I've never seen. A lot of Turkish varieties. That was the coolest thing there. But Vifon, oh yeah, pad thai. Look at that. Oh yeah, oh yeah, pad thai chicken flavor. And it's funny because it's, yeah. Oh yeah. Steep it for 2 minutes. Drain it and add the junk and stir. Okay. Oh, and you add the veg in. Okay. So this is what it comes in. It comes with a fork. It comes in this tray. I'm just gonna do it in my pot. It's easier that way. Okay, so we add the not this, I think this is fried garlic. We add this is veg, edible. I need a fork, I'm in need. Here's our veg edible. It's a weird day, this September 30th, 2025. Very weird day. Apparently, it has been decided that the public in the United States would be a great thing to test out and train troops for war. Imagine that. I don't know. I live close to Seattle. It's pretty blue out here, so I don't know how much they're gonna be like, hey, these guys didn't vote for Trump, so maybe they'll go after them. I don't know. It's really strange. It's like, no, make people like you. Don't go after the people that don't, idiot. I don't know. The one thing that honestly has really surprised me, because everything I've ever heard about the guy, he wants everybody just to love him. And it's like, then do nice things. I don't know. That's, if I want people to be my friend, I'm not going to like call them names and junk. Sometimes I do, but that's just, it's like a friendly thing. It's with love. It's with love. But, yeah, it's like, I think if he wanted everybody to be okay with him, dude, just legalize weed. That would like federally, if you did that, wow, that would be intense. Intense. That would change the whole thing. But I don't see that happening. And I really don't understand why not, but I don't also know if that's within the scope of the president to just go, I'm doing an executive order. Marijuana will be legal from sea to shining sea. I don't think he can do that. I don't know. I don't think he cares what he can do or can't do. But I don't know. If you're a Trump fan, good for you, because it looks like you've won. That's fine. See, I'm not one of those crazy liberal types that like just lose their minds over all this. It's just like, hey, if the people that I liked were in office, I'd be happy. The people that are in office right now, I'm not stoked on. But I know there's people that are stoked, so good for you. I mean, your team is doing what they're doing. So, yeah, I don't know. All I know is we have a pair of hungry squirrels, and they are eating the. We spent a lot of money on nuts for these little buggers, and they're eating them. Oh boy! Kit, she filled up the squirrel feed bowl twice today. I don't know, but she thinks that they're taking them away and doing junk with them, like burying them, and it's like, well, winter is coming, so maybe that's what they do. I'm not sure. They haven't told me anything. I suspect that the squirrels won't all of a sudden start communicating their planned doings with me anytime soon. That'd be nice. You hear that, squirrels? I was so happy too, because it looked like we weren't going to have any like bright sunshine. It was really cloudy a minute ago. I guess we'll see how it works out with taking the pretty pictures. But we got this. And then we got this. So it's supposed to be vegetarian chicken flavor pad thai. And just to remember, all pad thai means is noodle from Thailand. It doesn't, you know, pad thai here is like peanut butter, a little bit of nuts, and some shrimp or chicken. That's generally how you get it. It's like, I swear, it's like Americanized Thai food. Because the food in Thailand is not the same. But this is not a Thai variety. No, this is from Vietnam. But they're pretty close. Okay. It smells good. See, generally the stuff that's been a pad thai that I've had from elsewhere has a bit of tanginess to it. And I think this will too. Oh, come on. I did walk 8.5 miles, but I don't want to eat that much. Well, I guess I don't have a choice. Cheers. As it slides off the fork. It's tangy. I would say if you added some chicken, that wouldn't be bad. This is one of those instances where I would say I definitely prefer the Americanized version better to something like this. It's like, it's just a little too tangy and funky. There's a funk to it, folks. And I don't know. Oh yeah. Oh, I should have used the mega fork to do the swirly. Oh well. And for this one, I don't have a lot to add in. The next two, I've got some garnish. Some scallion. I think some seeds would be okay. I don't know, this isn't bad. I really like how well the rice noodle hydrated in that scant 2-minute directive. You know what I think might go okay on this is a little bit of basil. There's basil. But yeah. Rotate. That's what you do. right, thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is the Nongshim variety. Those don't come through here so extremely often. Nongshim squid jampong. So it's a seafood noodle, spicy, red powder, lots of seafood going on. So, yeah, excited to try this next. Another one from SARS Super Saver. So, cool. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.